I've had a lot of people ask me, what about people who want to take OpenClaw, put it on a permanently running virtual server or a VPS? What about that? Will this software work for them? And the answer is 100% yes. All you need to do is drop the OpenClaw launcher file onto your VPS. And then what you'll see on your VPS is basically this is the installer. You can just install it directly onto your VPS, and that way you'll be able to manage updates, problems, fixes, and even skills. Because remember, this toolkit has a skill store. So if you're wondering how to get OpenClaw on a VPS and you don't want to buy an image, because when you buy an image, let's say you buy a ready image, if it has problems, you won't know how to update it, how to roll back versions. Whereas with the Claw launcher, you can literally select a version that works and then roll back to it, which basically means that you have the keys, you have the control, giving you access to OpenClaw, regardless if you're on a desktop, a Windows, a Mac, a Linux, or a virtual server. For any of these, OpenClaw is for you. Now, I recommend this even for people who have, technical knowledge and know how to use the terminal. The reason why is because it allows you to also do other things. Like it has literally a toolkit. Let me just show you what it has. It has a toolkit and settings section. You can literally use the OpenClaw Doctor and get a new token if things get stuck. You can delete all your sessions, which by the way cannot be done through OpenClaw. If you try doing this through OpenClaw, it won't work. If you try deleting your main session, it will literally say, sorry, you can't delete your main session. But if you click here, remove all sessions, then go back to here and refresh, you'll see it's gone. So it gives you more control, because these sessions can get really big and then you're paying for those tokens, because all that memory, you have to pay for that. So basically, what else can it do? It can you can start fresh. If you ever have problems, you just start fresh, and if you get stuck, you can click ask, and it will literally allow you to ask our really knowledgeable AI assistant how to use the launcher properly. And the bottom line is that you can basically install OpenClaw even if you have no knowledge, literally no knowledge. When you first get this, all you see is an install button. Here's a clean slate. This is how it looks when you first get it. Then you click install. It will do everything for you without the terminal. If you're a little bit curious, you can click on show terminal activity, but that's up to you. You just click on install and then it will install. Now, for those of you who don't know, actually OpenClaw works permanently. Even when you close your computer and switch it back on, it's still running. The only way to stop it is by clicking the stop button. So for those of you who have the launcher, you'll know when it's running and you'll know when it's not running. So for example, now OpenClaw is not running in the background, so I don't have to worry that it's doing something I don't want. But if I click start OpenClaw, it's going to say starting OpenClaw, and then right in a few seconds, it's going to say that from not running, it's now running. And that means that you will always be in the know. You never have to have any doubt whether or not your OpenClaw is running in the background or not. And this is the button that everyone who's non-technical loves. It only appears when OpenClaw is actually running. So if I click stop OpenClaw now, it will shut down OpenClaw and then it won't start up. And as you can see, the stop button's gone and it says not running. Means you can really experiment with it now and feel safe that nothing bad will happen to you. So if you're not jumped in onto this thing, you better jump in. Now is the time. See you in the next video, and bye for now.